Does your water taste like berries? If yes, you're perhaps sipping on flavored water, right? No, because airup begs to differ. Airup tricks your mind so well that you would start believing you're having flavored water, whereas in reality, you're just drinking scented water. But how does that work out? Well, this innovative bottle fools your brain into tasting different flavors of fruits like watermelon, berries, or orange vanilla swirls, while you're just drinking plain water. How? By using scent pods that trick your sense of smell, which makes hydration more fun without any sugar or additives. Curious to know how something as simple as scent can change the way you drink water? Let's break down how airup has redefined what it means to stay refreshed and healthy in the most unexpected way. airup was founded by Lena Jungst and Tim Jaeger in 2018. Well, actually, there were 3 other members apart from Lena and Tim. They were named Simon, Fabian, and Yanis. 5 of them were classmates and successfully turned a bachelor thesis combining neuroscience and design into a company called airup. Lena developed the world's first drinking bottle system that flavors water by scent during her design studies. Her initial goal was to reduce the excessive consumption of sugar in the form of soft drinks and save plastic and CO2. In 2019, the first airup bottles and 5 flavors were brought to the German market, and they sold out just then. You won't believe it, but 80,000 starter sets were sold out in just 6 weeks. In 2020, after Corona struck, airup's new market started expanding in Austria, Belgium, Netherlands, and France. By 2021, they entered the Swiss, Italian, and UK markets. By 2023, they have been producing Triton bottles, launched new Gen 2 bottles. The bottles were made from recycled materials and featured a new, active on mouthpiece. And finally, in 2024, their products are now available in 14 European countries and the US. It's admirable how they constantly update their product portfolio and introduce new bottle colors and pod flavors. From nothing 5 years ago, airup gained over 200 million euros in 2023. This rapid rise has attracted brands such as PepsiCo, which is an investor. Also, Ashton Kutcher is one of the celebrity shareholders who stays up to date for growing brands these days. airup's success is nothing short of remarkable. In just a few years, the company saw its revenue skyrocket from 30 million euros in 2020 to a projected 150 million euros by 2022. Initially launched in Munich, Germany, airup expanded across 11 countries and quickly became a sensation. Their growth can be attributed to their revolutionary design, as well as their focus into the growing health and sustainability trends of today's consumers. If you want to know more about their growth, The Guardian said, as sales grew, it became clear that 60% of its users were children. The bottle uses scent pods attached to the neck, and when you drink it, the straw pulls air and water through the pod, which creates a flavored experience. With 30 flavors, the drinks cost around 33 pence per liter. This German e-commerce brand introduced an innovative system that uses only scent to flavor water to create a sugar-free, healthier alternative to traditional flavored drinks. Their distinguished style of bottles allow you to experience flavors like apple, watermelon, cherry, peach, and more by simply inhaling aroma-infused air while drinking water. Now, aren't you wondering how the flavor factor works out? The magic of airup is in its scent pods, which enhances the drinking experience. Its technology is as fascinating as its origin, and it's the first hydration system that flavors water only through scent. This approach leverages the fact that about 80% of what we perceive as flavor actually comes from our sense of smell. This bottle uses retronasal smelling to bring flavor to plain water. When users drink from the bottle, the flavored air from the scent pods mixes with the water and creates a taste experience without actually flavoring the water itself. These scents are derived from natural ingredients like fruits, spices, and herbs, and applied to an air-permeable material known as fleece. What's the first thing you think of when you see this bottle? Well, you can't deny it's visually appealing. The design factor is one of their bigger perks. The sleek, modern look of their bottles is both practical and Instagram-worthy, which makes it a hit among social media users. The attractive packaging generates curiosity and encourages sharing. Since word-of-mouth marketing is powerful, this worked in airup's favor as well. As people post about their experiences with airup, the brand's visibility grows even more. Another distinguishing factor of the airup bottle is revolved around not only in its innovative scent technology, but in its appeal to the environmentally conscious consumer. By offering a sensory experience without the need for actual flavored liquids, airup provides a sustainable alternative to traditional flavored beverages. The company also recently launched a new collection of reusable bottles in the European market. The airup Generation 2 bottles are produced in the European Union, using facilities powered entirely by renewable energy. These bottles use up to 88% less plastic compared to single-use plastic bottles. The range includes sizes of 2.5 cups and 4.2 cups. In terms of investment, airup has attracted significant attention and funding. It raised a total of 58 million euros, which is approximately around $63 million, across 5 rounds of funding led by 5 Seasons Ventures, with contributions from existing investors like PepsiCo, Ippen.media and Oyster Bay. This financial backing has enabled airup to accelerate its expansion across Europe and the US, extend its product portfolio, and establish production facilities to serve an international customer base. airup has effectively utilized influencer marketing by partnering with platforms like TikTok and YouTube, including stars such as Jojo Siwa and Inoxtag. This helped showcase the innovative product to millions, which boosted both sales and brand visibility. Beyond influencers, airup has also got involved in other communities, particularly among Gen Z, who actively participate in campaigns like the viral hash Think New Drink New on TikTok and Instagram. This user-generated content has helped build a loyal customer base where people feel personally connected to the brand. By encouraging users to share their experiences, airup has cultivated a strong tribe-like following across Europe and turned customers into brand advocates. Aside from their media success, airup has successfully expanded its reach beyond Generation Z by targeting older demographics as well. Through strategic PR efforts, including coverage in reputable news outlets, they gained the trust of consumers over 30. This helped widen their audience from a new perspective. This shift ensured their brand appealed to a broader age group. Alongside this, airup embraced a direct-to-consumer DTC model, which allowed them to control the entire customer experience while gathering valuable insights into consumer behavior. By using this data, they cater to recommendations and promotions to individual customers to make sure there is loyalty and improved level of satisfaction. This personalized approach has helped airup stand out in a competitive market. Wrapping it all up, there's no doubt, airup is a revolutionary water bottle that can be termed no less than a trendsetter. PR strategy, combined with its DTC model and data-driven personalization, has helped the brand grow from a German startup to an international success. Their ability to engage with a broad audience, influencers, Gen Z, and retain customers through personalized offerings have made them stand out in the hydration market. But our question remains, how long will it sustain in the water bottle industry? Can they make their through the rising competitions? Well, that's what we will wait and see. Until next time.